The word energy derives from the ancient Greek, Romanized, energia, lit. Activity, operation, which possibly appears for the first time in the work of Aristotle in the 4th century BC. In contrast to the modern definition, energia was a qualitative philosophical concept, broad enough to include ideas such as happiness and pleasure. Scientists define energy as the ability to do work. Modern civilization is possible because people have learned how to change energy from one form to another and then use it to do work. People use energy to walk and bicycle, to move cars along roads and boats through water, to cook food on stoves, to make ice in freezers, to light our homes and offices, to manufacture products, and to send astronauts into space. There are many different forms of energy, including heat, light, motion, electrical, chemical, gravitational. These forms of energy can be grouped into two general types of energy for doing work: potential or stored energy, kinetic or working energy. Energy can be converted from one form to another. For example, the food a person eats contains chemical energy, and a person's body stores this energy until he or she uses it as kinetic energy during work or play. The stored chemical energy in coal or natural gas and the kinetic energy of water flowing in rivers can be converted to electrical energy, which in turn can be converted to light and heat. Energy sources can be categorized as renewable or non-renewable. There are many different sources of energy, which can be divided into two basic categories: renewable energy sources that can be easily replenished, non-renewable energy sources that cannot be easily replenished. Renewable and non-renewable energy sources can be used as primary energy sources to produce useful energy such as heat, or they can use to produce secondary energy sources such as electricity and hydrogen. All forms of energy are associated with motion. For example, any given body has kinetic energy if it is in motion. A tension device such as a bow or spring, though at rest, has the potential for creating motion. It contains potential energy because of its configuration. Similarly, nuclear energy is potential energy because it results from the configuration of subatomic particles in the nucleus of an atom. Energy can be neither created nor destroyed but only changed from one form to another. This principle is known as the conservation of energy or the first law of thermodynamics. For example, when a box slides down a hill, the potential energy that the box has from being located high up on the slope is converted to kinetic energy, energy of motion. As the box slows to a stop through friction, the kinetic energy from the box's motion is converted to thermal energy that heats the box and the slope. Energy can be converted from one form to another in various other ways. Usable mechanical or electrical energy is, for instance, produced by many kinds of devices, including fuel-burning heat engines, generators, batteries, fuel cells, and magnetohydrodynamic systems. In the International System of Units, SI, energy is measured in joules. 1 joule is equal to the work done by a 1 Newton force acting over a 1 meter distance.